Students, we are doing questions from Concepts of Physics by HCVERMA Volume 1, Chapter 3, Rest and Motion Kinematics. We are doing exercise, and this is the 12th question, students. A particle starts from point A, travels along the solid curve shown in figure 3E7. Find approximately the position B of the particle such that the average velocity between the positions A and B has the same direction as the instantaneous velocity at B. Students, first of all, understand that this is a position time graph. This is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. Each point is denoting position coordinates, xy coordinates it is showing. So, for example, point A, you can say it is at 1, 4. I hope it is clear to you. Now, students, what is the average velocity between positions A and B? You will say that average velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. Let us take any point. Let us say this is B. Then what is the displacement? The displacement is along the direction which I am showing you now, A to B. That is the displacement. That is the displacement direction. And therefore, average velocity direction will be displacement time will be along AB. I hope that is clear. Whereas the instantaneous velocity at point B will be along the curve. That is along this curve. I hope you are clear about it now. Instantaneous velocity will be at that moment, what is the direction of velocity? That direction is the instantaneous velocity. Now, I would like to tell you that if I go on finding out, for example, I took this as B and I draw the instantaneous velocity direction and the average velocity direction. This is average velocity direction and this is instantaneous velocity direction. His question is asking is that the position such that the average velocity between position A and B has the same direction as instantaneous velocity at B. So that is, if I shift B little bit, students, I am saying that if I shift little bit B, for example, let us shift to location here. At that moment, the average velocity will be having a direction like this, and instantaneous velocity will be accordingly like this. Now, if I shift to another location, let us say B here. I shift to B here. Then you can see that the average velocity direction will be from A to B like this. And the instantaneous velocity is also along that curve. So, I have instantaneous velocity is also having the same direction. That is the particular point which I have to choose, students. So, how to do that? I will mark a line vertically like this. And I will draw a horizontal line also from there like this. So, that position, find approximately the position B. This is the position B. And that position seems to be like, if we find the coordinates, then its position seems to be like this. That is along the x-axis 5 and along the y-axis 3. I hope the idea is clear to you, students.